Hello. Today we're going to explore something really exciting and powerful, the MCP Model Context Protocol. If you've been keeping an eye on emerging trends in AI development, you've probably seen MCP popping up more and more. That's because it's not just another buzzword. It's a game changer. So what is MCP? It's a new standard, you can say, developed by the team at Anthropic, that allows AI systems to connect seamlessly with data sources like content repositories, business tools, and development environments. So you can think of it as a plugin that streamlines access to essential data, making your AI smarter and more efficient. Now let's take a look at this plugin by Surfram Cloud. It's like V0, but in your IDE environment, for example, Cursor if you're using Windsurf client, etc. So it's a plugin by 21st Dev, and we will look further into the demo and see how it works. Now let's look at this demo that's posted on the official website. So this is an MCP agent called Magic, and you can see how it taps into a powerful component library, making it easy to source and customize exactly what you need for building a front end. So this MCP connects the AI with real-time data and streamlines the entire front-end development workflow. So here's another example of an MCP server that allows Claude AI to directly communicate with Blender. So you can prompt the AI to create a sphere in the center of a scene in Blender, and it will generate the 3D scene for us. So this integration enables the AI to send commands seamlessly. These demos should give you a clear idea of what MCP can do. If not, don't worry, we are going to dive deeper into it. Essentially, MCP servers act like universal plugs, saving time and effort by standardizing connections between AI systems and data sources. Today, we will show you how to set up MCP servers with different AI agents like Windsurf, Cursor, and Klein. With Windsurf, what you have to do is, as you can see in the documentation, you need to head over to the Cascade tab right here. And then from here, you can start various context protocol servers. You have the option to either choose from the pre-made templates provided or manually edit the raw configuration file for your MCP servers. So while the process is designed to be user-friendly, it might be a bit challenging for beginner coders. Additionally, you can see that there aren't as many templates available. Compared to other agents like Cursor or Klein, you'll only find a few server templates such as GitHub 1, the PostgreSQL, etc. An easy way to go along with MCP servers within Windsurf Forecaster is simply using the chart interface. So client and root code are particularly interesting. For those unfamiliar, these are autonomous AI agents. I prefer Klein over Google because it integrates better with MCP servers, and thanks to its dedicated marketplace. So this marketplace offers a range of ready-made templates you can see for various servers, so you don't have to go through the hassle of configuring them manually like you might with Windsurf or Cursor. So whether you are looking for browser automations or databases or other categories, you'll find plenty of options available here. So I'm going to show you the top choices you should use, explain how to implement them, and even demonstrate how you can build your own MCP server with Clang. So if you don't already have Klein installed, you can install it for free directly from the VS Code Marketplace without any cost. So what's also great is that you can access and set up MCP service at no charge. Just head to the Settings tab right here, go to the API Provider section, and here you need to select the VS Code LM API. So what it does, it lets you use the Copilot API key for free, keeping in mind there is a monthly limit, so you can create virtually any MCP server you need. Okay, let's set up an MCP server to extract documentation from Python's official docs. And this is the input prompt that I gave. Let's hit send so it's done creating the server for us. This setup is particularly useful because while a large language model might not always have the most current Python information, connecting it directly to the Python's documentation, it ensures that it can reference the latest details. So after the installation and the configuration setup is complete, the MCP server confirms that it has been successfully installed, and it's ready to provide up-to-date documentation for RAI. Another useful MCP server is Puppeteer. You can install it. This allows for real-time browser automation. You can also use Supabase to connect your AI with databases, enabling natural conversations and complex queries without needing to write SQL code. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into the automation world. See you in the next one.